Suddenly, the weather systems in our area seem to be caring about what calendar month it is. How thoughtful of them. So it's actually time to talk about possible severe thunderstorms happening tomorrow. At least if the Storm Prediction Center is to be believed. So they are showing a marginal risk of severe weather occurring anywhere pretty much in the western Willamette Valley and the Oregon coast. They define severe as any one of the following things happening within a 20-mile radius of a given point. So a tornado or tornadoes, 60 mile per hour or greater wind gusts, and or a 1-inch diameter of hail. Any one of these parameters is specifically a 5 to 10% chance in that given radius, and a 30% chance of thunder, where this lighter green area is under a 30% chance of thunder. And given our atmospheric dynamics not really supporting thunder, period, a lot of times if we are in this lighter green area, we just don't get thunder, period. So moving on to the setup, and the frontal position is my estimated position of about noon, and then also the low position is mainly here for reference because I have it zoomed in so you can get some town locations for bearings here. The low pressure system will be located off the coast and pretty much stalled for tomorrow during this event, while the cold front will move through late morning to early afternoon from southwest to northeast. I think right about noon it'll be passing through Salem. Anywhere behind the front there are going to be lingering showers and sun breaks, and these sun breaks could be what cause the instability due to the temperature differential from down here at the surface compared to the upper atmosphere. That is just one reason for the instability, but I think it's going to be one of the greater reasons for that. Also, a side note for this is that this system has tapped into the moisture that was part of former Typhoon Maggie. Forgive me if I mispronounced that. That dissipated in the Western Pacific about 4 days ago. However, most of said moisture is making its way into Northern California. For the timeline, I think tomorrow morning will be mainly showery before the cold front passes through. I think the best chance of thunderstorms will be anywhere from about 1 p.m. to when the sun goes down, pretty much. Of course, that means areas further south will receive a longer period of potential thunderstorm activity. And because you have the sun breaks for longer, that also means you'll probably warm up slightly more compared to areas further north. Although it just really is just going to depend on how much sun breaks you have. And because of the more showery nature behind a cold front, I don't think it's going to be widespread thunderstorms. I think it's going to be more isolated, and severe thunderstorms even more isolated if we receive any at all. Then going into Wednesday evening and Thursday morning, it'll transition back into just boring old cloudy rain showers and temperatures in the mid 40s for Thursday morning's low. Then going on to the forecast notes, like I just mentioned, severe storms will be very isolated and thunderstorms themselves will be pretty isolated. Not every area will receive thunderstorms, and most locations will not receive damaging wind, hail, or a weak tornado. Just to be clear before you see anything on social media suggesting the contrary. 0 to 1 tornadoes most likely in the area. My personal feeling is we will not get any tomorrow. However, maybe a funnel cloud sighting or two. If we do happen to get a tornado, I don't see it getting any stronger than an EF1 and would be short-lived, probably no more than a mile long in track. Any thunderstorms will contain stronger wind gusts. Small hail is also possible, and because the cold front passes from south to north essentially, the bigger chances for severe storms will occur from Eugene to Salem just because of the longer time you will be in that showery sunbreak time period, I guess is the best way to put it. And then clearer skies raises the chances just because this further adds to the instability that we will be having tomorrow. So, on to the 7-day forecast. I see tomorrow's the only real shot at thunderstorms. However, I should note that the Storm Prediction Center does have Thursday as a possible thunderstorm day for both Portland and Corvallis. I do see showers finally tapering off on Friday morning, and there's probably a 50-50 likelihood you won't even see showers at all, with highs starting to get back up into average. I think Saturday will be the first day at average in over 2 weeks, with finally some decent sun. Highs almost reaching 70 on Sunday before rain returning on Tuesday. Corvallis, very similar, however slightly cooler from Friday into Monday. Now, that is it for this video. I did delay my winter weather recap redo, I guess the best way to call it, to accommodate this video, because I suspected I would be making this video starting on Sunday, and the take I originally had did not turn out as I wanted to. So I will be posting that probably this Thursday if I don't get behind schedule again with school and other things. Otherwise, please stay safe out there and take care. Oh, one last thing, if there's any updates, I will probably not post that as a video unless if I just do a unedited video. It'll probably be a quick and dirty mock-up, or I'll just post in the comments section of this video. Probably best chance of updates would be between 10 o'clock and 1 o'clock tomorrow.